everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome to the first grocery haul video of 2024. So normally for my grocery hauls, I don't get on and do an intro and talk to you like this, but I wanted to this time because I actually had filmed a chat video for the first of the year, and unfortunately we had some personal things happen within the first week of the year, so I kind of got sidetracked a little bit and I've just not been able to edit that video, but I needed to do my first grocery haul of the year, and of course I wanted to share that with you. So chat video should be coming up, I would say within the next couple weeks. I will get that up. So I'm actually getting ready to head to Aldi. I'm probably going to stop at Publix as well, because Publix is the only place I can get the good culture cottage cheese that I just absolutely love. So I'm probably going to swing by there and pick that up as well. But the majority of my haul will be Aldi. So I want to say thank you to my friends out there who have been with me for the long haul. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I also want to say a huge welcome to all the new friends that I have. I saw a lot of new people that have signed up, so I appreciate you. Welcome. So I actually could go on and on chatting because I have so much to catch up with you all on, let you know kind of where I'm at for this year, what my focus is. But for today, I want to keep it a grocery haul video. So keep your eyes out for a chat video sometime in the next couple weeks. So let me get headed to Aldi and I'll come back and share with you what I got. So I am back from Aldi, and as you can see, I really stocked up. So I honestly should be good. Besides the maybe like things that I have to pick up throughout the week, each week, I should probably be good for probably like a month. If you're not familiar with my grocery hauls, I do try to go through the grocery hauls and give the calories as well as Weight Watcher points. However, I always mention in my videos, please make sure to scan them yourselves. Don't go exactly by what I'm giving you. They could be different depending on whether you're on the diabetic program or if you're just on the regular Weight Watchers program, or just depending, it just could be different for everybody. So please scan your own, use my videos just simply as a guide. So I have a huge Aldi haul to share with you, but let me start out with the few things that I picked up from Publix. So I got my Good Culture cottage cheese. My Publix is the only place that sells this, so I always go there to get this kind. It's my favorite kind. I really just don't care for any other kinds anymore, unless like if I'm mixing cottage cheese in with eggs or something, then I'm okay, but this kind I just have gotten really used to. So these are 2 points for this cup here, and if you're counting calories, these are 120 calories. And then I also got a couple of the big ones too. So usually my husband will take these ones, and then I'll usually just weigh out mine into little containers from the big ones. But we typically eat cottage cheese every day. I also got some Coffee Mate Zero Sugar Sweet Italian Creamer. This you can have 3 tablespoons for 1 point. And if you're counting calories, it's 15 calories for a tablespoon. And there was something else. Oh yeah. I also got this from Publix. This is Lawry's marinade. I love this on pork chops. Actually, it's really good on anything, to be honest. And for this, it's 0 points for a tablespoon or 10 calories. Okay, so that was it from Publix. So I'm going to try to get through this fairly quickly. When I get down to the fruits and vegetables, of course, on Weight Watchers, those are 0. Unless you're on the diabetic plan, then fruits, you do have to count your fruits. And for calories, of course, it just depends on how much you have of it. So starting here with the ground chicken, they had this on sale, so I stocked up on that and got 3 packages of that. And these are 4 points for 4 ounces and 160 calories for 4 ounces. I got a big thing of chicken tenderloins. Those are 0 points on Weight Watchers, and then it says 80 calories for 3.5 ounces. I got 3 things of salmon, 0 points on Weight Watchers, 250 calories for 4 ounces. I got a whole chicken that I'm going to put in the slow cooker. I usually, whenever I go to Publix, I always pick up a rotisserie chicken just because I like to have that. I don't know. I just like to have that. I love Publix rotisserie chicken, but they were all out, so I couldn't get one. So I'll probably just put this one in the slow cooker maybe tomorrow, and then that way I can keep it in my fridge and I'll have chicken to use for salads or whatever throughout the week. I also got some pork tenderloin. This is 3 points for 4 ounces and 130 calories. Here I got some chicken thigh fillets. We love those on the grill. Those are 3 points for 4 ounces And I don't remember what the calories are. 3 points for 4 ounces and 160 calories. Also got a thing of chicken breast. For these, they are 0 points on Weight Watchers and 110 calories for 4 ounces. I got some ham slices, and I forgot to scan these. I can't remember how many of these are. These are real low in points. I think maybe 1 point for 3 of the slices. I believe that's what they are. If I'm incorrect, I'll pop it up on the screen. And they are 60 calories for 2 ounces. I also got some center cut bacon. For this, it is 1 point for 1 slice and 60 calories for 2 slices. Some turkey pepperoni. This kind, you can have 22 slices for 2 points, 13 slices for 1, or 4 slices for 0, and it's 70 calories for 16 slices. I also got some ground turkey. This is the 99% fat-free, so this is the turkey breast. This is the one that's 0 on Weight Watchers, and if you're counting calories, this one is 120 calories for 4 ounces, and also got some of the 93% lean. This is 4 points for 4 ounces and 160 calories. I got 3 things of the grass-fed ground beef. This kind was on sale, so I picked up 3 of them. For this kind, it's 4 points for 4 ounces, 170 calories. I also picked up one of these rotisserie flavored turkey breast tenderloins. If you get I think they sell an original flavor, just like a plain kind, and I think those ones are 0 points. This one, it scans out as 2 points just because of the flavorings on it. So 2 points for 4 ounces and 120 calories. And then I picked up a couple things of sandwich meat. This is the honey turkey breast. So this is not the 0 point kind. If you're on Weight Watchers, if you get the oven roasted, then it's 0. We just prefer the flavor of the honey roasted. So this is 1 point for 2 ounces and I think 60 calories. Yeah, 60 calories. Also some sea scallops back there. Those are 0 points on Weight Watchers. And these are 100 calories for 4 ounces. We love sea scallops. I like to get the great big package from Sam's Club, so I'll probably be doing a Sam's Club. Actually, I probably won't need a Sam's Club now. Maybe next month I'll do a Sam's Club. I actually don't get a lot of groceries from Sam's Club. I just get some of the things that are better in bulk, like toilet paper, paper towels, the sea scallops, paper plates, things like that. So honestly, I may end up doing a haul sometime this month. All right, moving back here, I got some teriyaki stir-fry sauce. This is so good. We like to use this like when we do like our homemade, actually with the scallops, we'll do like some stir-fry vegetables and we'll use this. It is so good. And then you can drizzle over some sugar-free yum yum sauce. This is 1.41 tablespoon or 25 calories. I got some juice back here, 50 calorie juice. This is 2 points for 1 cup. And then Aldi actually had the Bolt House Farms. They didn't have the regular ranch, which I like. I haven't tried the cucumber ranch. Let me know if you've tried this kind. But for the cucumber ranch, it's actually a little bit less in points. This kind you can have 2 tablespoons for 1 point, and it's only 35 calories for the 2 tablespoons. And then they also have a creamy Caesar one. This one is 2 tablespoons is 2 points and 50 calories. I stocked up on a bunch of the skipjack tuna. This is just our favorite kind of tuna. This kind is 0 points and 110 calories. I really like this kind because it has 25 grams of protein in the whole container. I got a couple of things of black beans. I count all black beans as 0 points. Watched some of them because they do scan with points, but I usually rinse mine, so that's why I count them as 0 no matter what brand they are. So this one I count 0 and 110 calories for half a cup. I got some green olives here and also some black olives. For the black olives, you can have 4 olives for 1 point or 30 calories. For the green olives, it's 6 olives for 1 point. And then for calories, it is 25 calories for 4 olives. I got a couple of things of taco seasoning there. I like to make my own taco seasoning, but I also picked these up just in case I don't have any made and I need some last minute. So picked up a couple of those. I picked up 4 cans of white potatoes. For these, you can have 3/4 of a cup for 1 point, and if you're counting calories, there are 60 calories for 2/3 of a cup, or you could have the whole can for 160 calories. I got some French style green beans, and these are 0, and half a cup is 20 calories. I got some canned mushrooms. I know a lot of people gag when they see canned mushrooms, but I actually like these in some things. These are 0 points and 20 calories for 1/3 of a cup drained. These two things are for my husband. Well, actually, I thought that one was going to be for my husband, but then I realized it has the white part of the egg. My husband is not a fan of egg whites. Honestly, they're not too bad in points. For a breakfast sandwich, there's 6 points. It's the eggs, Canadian bacon, and American cheese. They're 6 points and 230 calories for each one, so they're really not too bad. Let me see what the protein is in them. 13 grams of protein. So, I mean, if you coupled it with like some cottage cheese or something, that would be a pretty good breakfast. I also got these for my husband. These are Angus beef patty cheeseburgers. These are 7 points for each one, or 190 calories. I got some light cream cheese, not cream cheese. I got some light sour cream, 1 point for 1 tablespoon. If you're counting calories, 35 calories for 2 tablespoons. Some everything bagel seasoning. I'm really looking forward to having that again. I haven't had that in a long time. Now for the breads, I got some sourdough bread. I have not had the sourdough bread in a while. I really like the Aldi's kind because it actually has the culture in it, the sourdough culture. So you have to watch with sourdough bread. Sometimes they'll say that it's sourdough, but it's actually kind of like a sourdough flavoring. This kind actually has the culture in it. So this is 3 points for 2 ounces. It says the 2 ounces is about 2 slices, but obviously it's gonna, it's gonna make a difference if you're getting a middle slice versus an end. I usually just have 1 slice and I cut it in half and put it in the toaster that way. I love this bread with avocado on it. It's so good. So I'll probably have a slice of this with like some avocado and some of the everything bagel seasoning, maybe an egg over the top. So 3 points for the approximately 2 slices, and then 120 calories. I also picked this up. I prefer the Olay Extreme Wellness as far as like the flavor of it, but this kind is just a little bit more hearty, like if I'm trying to make maybe like a quesadilla or something. So I picked these up. These are 2 points, and they are 70 calories per tortilla. And it also says they're keto friendly, so for those following a low carb keto type thing, I'm assuming it's because of the amount of fiber that's in them. Yeah, so it's got 13 grams of fiber, or 13 grams of carbs, and then also has 13 grams of fiber. So it would net out at 0 net carbs for those of you who are watching your carbs. Okay, also got some bagel skinnies. So I love bagels, but Thomas's bagels are 8 points for a whole bagel, which is doable. I can make that work in my day, but I thought that I would get back to these bagel skinnies and see how these fill me up. So I love a good bagel for breakfast in the morning with some cream cheese once in a while. And I'm okay with it because I work it into my day. But I think these will be a lot better because these are only 3 points. But it just really depends if they fill me as much as a regular bagel. So 3 points for these and 110 calories for each one. I also got some eggs, 0 points on Weight Watchers, and 70 calories. And I thought I was done with the meat. Never Any chicken breakfast sausage. This is 1 point per link. If you have 2 links, it is 3 points, and it's 45 calories per link. I got a couple things of feta cheese. Those of you who follow me know this is my absolute favorite kind of cheese, and I didn't even scan it. I already know it is 2 points for an ounce. I usually just have a half an ounce, so I have 1 point worth. Usually what I do is I take this whole block, which is 8 ounces. I just kind of cut it the best that I can into 16 little cubes, and then I know that each cube is a half an ounce or 1 point or 30 calories, because for 1 ounce is 60 calories. All right, and then I also got some mozzarella. This is part skim mozzarella, 3 points for a quarter of a cup, or 80 calories for a quarter cup, and also some reduced fat sharp cheddar. This kind is 4 points for a quarter cup and 90 calories. Back here, I got just some of the stir-in basil paste. So I like to use this for Skinny Taste has a salmon recipe, the basil parmesan salmon, and I just like to use this instead of regular basil. Okay, back here I got some bacon bits just to have in my fridge for whatever I need them for. 1 point for 1 ounce and 30 calories for a tablespoon. I'm sorry, 1 point for 1 tablespoon or 30 calories. I also got some brown basmati rice. This is just the 90-second rice that you toss in the microwave. Super simple. 3 points for 1/3 of the package. So I scanned this and it came out to 10 points for the whole package, or 420 calories. I don't know about y'all, but I never eat a whole big package of rice. So for me, I would say I probably would eat like 1/3 of this. So 1/3 of the package came out to 3 points. And then also some long grain and wild. This is 4 points for 1/2 cup. And 1 serving is 1 cup of this, so 250 calories. So for the 1/2 cup, 4 points or 125 calories. I got some olive oil cooking spray back there. I got some whole wheat spaghetti, 5 points for 2 ounces or 200 calories. I also got a thing of hash browns. I was gonna get some French fries, like the crinkle cut, but honestly, I prefer to just do my own French fries in the air fryer. Just take a potato and cut it into fry shape, toss it with a little bit of olive oil, season it, and put it in the air fryer. So easy to do. But I do like the hash browns that Aldi has. They are 2 points for, I think it's like a little bit more than 2/3 of a cup. So 2/3 of a cup is 100 grams, and I think you can have like 115 grams for the 2 points. And then for calories, 90 calories for the 2/3 of a cup. I also got a thing of potatoes. You can have a 5.2 ounce potato, I think, for like 110 calories. If you're on Weight Watchers, it is, you can have a 6 ounce potato for 3 points. So I think that's it for the things with points. So now for fruits and vegetables, like I said, 0 points on Weight Watchers. Unless you're on the diabetic plan, then your fruit you do have to count. And calories, like I said, just depends on how much you're having. So I'll start back here. I got a butternut squash. I'm just gonna peel that and cube it. I think I have an old video showing how I do that. I'm gonna peel that and cube it, and then I'll just put it in my freezer and I can cook that. I love roasted butternut squash. I also got some frozen sweet peas, some frozen corn, a couple things of broccoli, some zucchini, some beefsteak tomatoes, some Roma tomatoes. I got a thing of carrots, some green onion, a couple things of Brussels sprouts, some mini avocados, which those do have points. I don't even remember what the points are on avocados. I think you're gonna have like 35 grams for 1 point, I believe. I'll pop it up on the screen. I also got some kiwi. These are huge kiwis too. I got some coleslaw, some spring mix, some portobello mushroom caps. I like making little mini pizzas on these. Love mini pizzas on those. Some red onion, some baby carrots. I like these carrots for snacking, and then the regular carrots for cooking. An English cucumber, some asparagus, some bananas, green peppers. Can't remember if I said celery down there. Mandarin oranges, a whole bunch of zucchini because we go through zucchini a lot. So I think I got 3 packages of zucchini. I said the green peppers. I also got some red and I think they're red, orange, and yellow. Maybe they're just red and yellow. There's the other 2 things of the zucchini. Cosmic crisp apples, some blackberries, strawberries, and blueberries. And I don't remember if I said some baby bella mushrooms. I had the mushroom caps, but then I also got these as well. So that is my huge Aldi grocery haul to start us off for 2024. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.